Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are getting my voice. Uh, Welcome to the second class of English class of for class 4. I am your teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School, and we are sharing with you the essay on an autobiography of garbage truck. Like yesterday, I have shared some instructions with you. So please, I am again sharing the instructions. Kindly follow my instructions very carefully. Don't interrupt me during lecture. Once the lecture ends, you will be free to ask questions. I will give you some time to ask me a question, to share your queries, but please don't raise your hand or don't chat with me till the lecture continue. Okay. During the lecture, like you are seeing on the screen, I am sharing the screen with you. Okay. Please take the screenshot and do all work in your fair copies carefully. Divide your English copy into parts, and one is for literature portion in which you are doing your question answers words meaning, and the other one जो कि आप ग्रामर करते हैं आपको टू पार्ट्स में अपनी कॉपी को डिवाइड कर लेना है. आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू इन उर्दू सो यू कैन लिसन इट वेरी केयरफुली. आप जैसे स्कूल में करते हैं अपनी कॉपी को टू पोर्शंस में डिवाइड करेंगे. वन इज फॉर ग्रामर. ग्रामर में आपको अपने एसेज, letter, application, and all the work of grammar should be done in your grammar portion. Question answer, word meaning, and all the other homework related to literature part should be done in your literature portion. First of all, आप अपनी फेयर कॉपी पे अपना बायोडेटा लिखेंगे uh, like you have done in the class, and then leave the other two pages, and then please note the note your all the work very carefully. Then make the title page for of unit. Then you will write the words meaning, then question answers. All the work should be neat and clean. Yesterday we studied the unit number 1, Fabulous Beast. Okay, I hope you all get it very carefully, and you will understand it very nicely. And today I am sharing an essay with you which is on an autobiography of garbage truck. An autobiography of garbage truck. My students, biography means someone who's sharing his personal experience with you. Who's sharing his personal experience with you is called the biography of someone. So here I am sharing the autobiography of garbage truck with you. Take the screenshot of the screen and note it down in your fair copies in your grammar portion. Okay? Autobiography means, like I have told you, autobiography means someone's person's life written by himself. Means if I am writing by my own habits, my own things with you, is called my biography. Okay? Don't raise the hand during the lecture, kindly. First of all, listen my lecture carefully. I am a garbage truck like all other vehicles. Vehicles means heavy machinery or heavy uh, गाड़ियाँ, लाइक आपके पास जो ट्रांसपोर्ट के लिए यूज होती हैं उनको हम कहते हैं व्हीकल्स. आई एम वेरी ह्यूज एंड नॉइसी. People usually don't like me because I left unpleasant smell behind me. But it's not me who create this unpleasant and smelly trash. Trash means garbage. Trash is another word used for garbage. Humans are responsible for it. This is the introduction of your essay. Okay, this is the introduction of your essay. Now I'm sharing whole essay with you. Take the screenshot first. Firstly, screenshot it. Okay, I hope you all screenshotted. Now, second, main body of the essay. I arrives every morning and gathered all waste material. Means here garbage truck is mentioning you, is explaining you his daily routine like I arrived every morning. I arrived every morning and I gathered all the trash. I gathered all the trash from your societies, from your areas. I gathered all the trash material, unpleasant things from you. I maybe look bad because of my huge and funny structure, but I am very useful to keep surroundings clean. Here garbage truck is mentioning that maybe I look बैड मैं आपको मे बी बुरा लगूं मैं आपको मे बी अच्छा ना लगूं क्योंकि मैं एक अनप्लेजेंट स्मेल छोड़ देता हूँ अपने पीछे बट आई एम वेरी यूजफुल बिकॉज आई रेज माई आई कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन माई माउथ इज ऑन माई बैक एंड मेरा जो फेस है माई माउथ इज ऑन माई बैक एंड and my pointy teeth are very white and my pointy teeth अब ये उनको कह रहे हैं जिनके थ्रू ये अपना गार्बेज कलेक्ट करते हैं these are the pointy teeth of the garbage truck when I gather garbage so many yuck things stuck in my teeth जब भी मैं गार्बेज कलेक्ट करता हूँ so many yuck things yuck mean untidy unpleasant unhygiene things stuck in my teeth like fruit peels plastic bags fish bones and shred of meats when I complete my round, I spits all garbage at garbage dump away from living area. Means when I complete my round, I spits mean थूक देना, dump कर देना, waste कर देना. All the garbage at garbage dumps. Okay. Take the screenshot of the essay and do it in your fair copies. Okay. Okay, now I'm sharing letter with you. First of all, put the question with the black pointer. Write a letter to your friend. Tell him about the prize you won in race competition. Means you are writing a letter to your friend in which you are telling your friend about the prize which you have won in the okay. Write a letter. The examination hall kindly follow this pattern of letter very carefully. Follow the pattern, the format of the letter very carefully and note it down like I have mentioned you in the screen. You are seeing on the screen. Do it as it is. Okay. On the right side of your page, you will write Examination Hall, ABC Road, Karachi, June 8, 2020. This is the address of sender. Okay. Now, one line gap, then dear friend, comma, I am fine here and hope you will be fine by the grace of Allah. Okay, you all know very well it's the start of your letter. I am very happy to inform you about sport competition which was held in our school last week. I have also participated in 100-meter race and got first position. In the race, our headmistress awarded prize. I am very happy and working hard for next. Say salam to your family members, your your loving friend, comma, XYZ. So means the receiver and sender information is on the right side of your page. See, examination hall, this all thing is also present in the right side, and also your loving friend and the ending of the letter is also present at the right side of the copy. Kindly take the screenshot of this letter. Take the screenshot of this letter and then note down it in your fair copies. Okay, now I am sharing. Now we are doing grammar. Your extended grammar means your extended grammar which is present in your, आपको ये सब नोट नहीं करना कॉपी में, ये मैं सिर्फ आपको समझा रही हूँ. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू अबाउट सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस. जस्ट फोकस ऑन द हेडिंग simple present tense. This is just for your understanding. Please don't note it down in your copies. This is just for your अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आई विल शेयर एक्सरसाइज विद यू. जब मैं आपको एक्सरसाइज शेयर करूंगी तो वो आपको कॉपीज में करनी है. ये आपको मैं सिर्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए सेंड कर रही हूँ. दिस इज ओनली फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. So in simple present tense, simple present tense, present means the time which is going on now. Okay, time which is going on now is called present time. Okay, so in simple present tense, we talk about these things. Like we talk about something we do all the time, like our daily routines. We discuss our daily routine, we discuss our daily actions, we discuss the things which we do all the time. Like I wake up early in the morning, I go to school, I take my online classes, then I do my homework in the copies. These all are the things which you do done in the daily basis. This is your routine. To give instructions. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस हम और कहाँ यूज करते हैं? जब हम किसी को कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे रहे होते हैं. व्हेन वी आर पासिंग सम इंस्ट्रक्शंस टू अदर पर्सन. सो मीन्स जैसे मैंने आपको स्टार्ट में बताया, note down your all work in your copies. So this is also in simple present tense. Like I have shared you with that, please take screenshot of the screen. This is also a instruction. This is also a kind of an instruction na? To talk about things as they happen. Means sun shines brightly. Sun always shine brightly. Okay. The facts which are always true. Stars shines in the night. These all are the things which come in simple present tense. These four things, these all four things come in our simple present tense. Simple present tense. क्या क्या चीजें हम शेयर करते हैं? Our daily habits, our daily routines. किसी को कोई इंस्ट्रक्शंस पास करते हैं तब हम प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करते हैं. जब हम किसी के साथ बात कर रहे होते हैं अपने डेली फैक्ट्स के बारे में, हम तब सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज करते हैं. एंड we also use simple present tense when we talk about the things that are true. That are true means sun shines brightly. This is a true statement. All you know, stars shine at night. This is also a true statement. So these are the statements which come in the simple present tense. I hope you all can understand this very, very carefully. Okay. Now I am sharing the exercise of simple present tense with you. So please note it down in your fair copies. Okay. Okay. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस की ये आपके पास एक्सरसाइज शेयर हो रही है. प्लीज डू इट इन योर फेयर कॉपीज. अब आपको ये काम जो है वो फेयर कॉपी में करना है. Fill in the blanks with present form of the verb. Number 1, he dash very well. आपको यहाँ पे वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म और प्रेजेंट फॉर्म को यूज करना है. यूज करते हुए आपको इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल अप करना है. ओके. National highway dash very busy. Here you will use be verb. Okay. John dash singing. Enjoy. The dash members of local football club. They be verb. Here you will use be verb. The dogs dash me. Okay. Like का आपको present simple form यूज करना है. ओके. वानिया अकरम. वानिया खुरम. I am unmuting you. Please ask your question. वानिया खुरम. Please ask your question.
मिस,
Yes.
ये सवाल कॉपी में करना है.
क्या कॉपी में करना है?
ये जो भी एक्सरसाइज हुई हुई फिंगर ब्लैंक्स.
जी, ये आपको अपनी कॉपी में करना है.
थैंक्स.
ओके, वेलकम. Now, okay, Sheikh Anas. Sheikh Anas, unmute yourself and ask a
ये जो
question.
आपका ये ऐसे वगैरह जो काम बता रही है कंपोजिशन पार्ट बना के करना है.
Yes.
ओके, थैंक यू टीचर.
Welcome. Okay. I hope you all have seen this. Okay. Now I am sharing. This is the another part of your present simple tense exercise. Okay. This is another part of your simple present tense exercise. Do it in your copies. Do it in your copies. Please take the screenshot. Please take the screenshot of the screen. Okay. I hope you all understand this. Okay. Now we will discuss about simple past tense. We discuss about simple past tense. Past means the time which is gone. The time which is gone. ये आपको अपनी कॉपी में नहीं करना. This is only for your understanding. So just listen to me and look at the screen carefully. Simple past tense. Okay. So past mean the time which is gone. The time which is gone is called past time. The time which is gone is called past time. Okay. So in past tense, we discussed about our past habits. Okay, हम किसको यूज करते हैं? अपनी past habits को explain करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं simple past tense का. And to talk about the things happened in the past. Usually we write or discuss the stories in simple past tense. We use second form of verb in simple past tense. और हम सिंपल पास्ट टेंस में मतलब वर्ब की सेकंड फॉर्म कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं? बाय एडिंग ईडी टू रेगुलर वर्ब्स. जब हमारे पास वर्ब्स रेगुलर होते हैं, वर्ब्स व्हेन वी ऐड ईडी, irregular words become new words in the simple past tense, like go, went. Go is the second form of went, so this is a irregular word. And when we write play, play is a regular verb, so we add ed with the play, so it become second form of the verb and it will become simple past tense. So in simple past tense we discuss about our past habits, the time which is gone, the habits which we used to do in our past time. Okay, students, now I am sharing exercise. Okay. This is your exercise for this is your exercise for simple present tense. इसको मिनिमाइज कर दो. हाँ, वो मैं भी करती हूँ. पहले मैं इसको मिनिमाइज कर लूँ. कैसे करूँ इस स्क्रीन को मिनिमाइज? ओके, बस अब हो जाएगा. Okay, this is your exercise for simple present, simple past tense exercise for you. Kindly take the screenshot and do it in your copies, in your fair copies. Okay, do it in your fair copies. This is the exercise. Fill in the blanks with simple past tense form of the verb. The farmer dashed rice last year. Grow. Grow. Now you have to put the second form of grow here. Okay. 2 weeks ago, the boy a new bicycle has. So the second form of has will be written in this blank. Okay, like the farmer dash rice last year. Grew. Okay, grew is the second form of grow. Number three, third blank is he dash happy yesterday. Feel. The second form of feel is felt. Okay, so will write felt in the blank area. Number fourth exercise, we dash hard last week. We work hard last week or we worked hard. Second form is word. So I already have solved these four blanks with you. So note it down in your copies. Yes. Sufyan. Sufyan Salim, please unmute your mic and ask me a question.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम टीचर।
वालेकुम
ये
अस्सलाम।
ये समझा दे, हमें ये समझ नहीं आ रहा।
कौन सा बेटा?
पास्ट टेंस।
Past tense.
यस।
Okay, I am repeating past tense again. Okay, past tense, beta, like you all know very well, in past tense we talk about our actions which we done in the past. हम अपने past habits को, जो काम हमने past में किया था, जो हमने पिछले time में किया था, हम उसको use करते हैं. Okay, हम उसको define करते हैं in simple past tense. ये like हम किसी चीज को काम को करते थे but अभी हम वो नहीं करते. So it's our past. Okay, the actions which we did in our past time is called simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense को फॉर्म करने का सिंपल तरीका ये है कि आपने वर्ब को सेकंड फॉर्म में चेंज करना है तो आपके पास सिंपल पास्ट टेंस आ जाता है. ओके, लाइक द सेकंड फॉर्म ऑफ feel is felt. Here he dash happy yesterday. Feel को अब आपको सेकंड फॉर्म में चेंज करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? ये simple past tense. It will become simple past tense. We talk about our past habits in simple past tense. Okay, today's time for the class is ended. Hope you understand it very carefully and hope you enjoyed the class. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.